Click on assembly, go to tools, select the parts folder, click on edge bar, click here and select the parts folder. I saved on desktop, so click on desktop. I saved parts in Ramsbottom safety valve folder, so double click on it. Assembly procedure remains same for the parts created by method 1 or method 2. Now double click on the first part, that is body of Ramsbottom safety valve. Next double click on valve seat. Click on assembly command. Select this portion of the valve seat. Select this portion of the body. Fit it. Click on relationship types. Select here mate. Select this portion in the valve seat. Mate on this surface. Click on select tool. Fit it. Again to insert valve seat on this side, so double click on valve seat. Click on assembly command. Select this portion of the valve seat. Here this portion of the body. Fit it. Use mate command. Mate this surface of the valve seat with this surface of the body. Click on select tool. Fit it. Insert the valve here, so click on valve 10th part. Double click on it. Click on assembly. Zoom this area. Use zoom area. Zoom this. Right click of the mouse. Select this portion of the valve. Fit it. Zoom this area. Right click of the mouse. Select here this portion of the body. Fit it. Use planar alignment. Planar align. Zoom this area. Right click of the mouse. Align plane of this with the plane of this, that is facing part 2 valve seat. Fit it. Click on select tool. Similarly on this side, so double click on valve. Click on assemble. Use zoom area. Zoom this. Right click of the mouse. Select this surface. Fit it. Zoom this area. Right click of the mouse. Select this cylinder in part 2 valve seat. Click on relationship types. Select here planar align. Align this surface with this surface. Click on select tool. Fit it. Now click on assembly pathfinder. Click on reference planes. Right click of the mouse. Hide those reference planes. Click on parts library. Fit it. Now double click on the washer, 4th part washer. Click on assemble. Use zoom area. Zoom this. Select this surface of the washer. Fit it. Zoom this area of the body. Right click of the mouse. Place washer on this surface. Now use planar align. Align this plane with this plane, then this plane with this plane, and then fit it. rotate in this fashion. Right click of the mouse, use zoom area, zoom this, right click of the mouse, again this surface, so rotate in this fashion, right click of the mouse, this plane of the washer with this plane of the body, again fit it and rotate in this fashion, then use zoom area, zoom this, right click of the mouse, align this face of the washer with this face of the body, fit it, do named view as ISO, fit it, click on select tool. Now double click on third part, that is shackle, click on assemble, zoom this area, right click of the mouse, just select this portion of the shackle, this face, fit it, use zoom area, zoom this, right click of the mouse, then rotate in this fashion, right click of the mouse, select this face in the washer, fit it, do named view as ISO, click on lock rotation, use mate command, rotate in this fashion, mate the bottom surface of this shackle this with the top surface of the washer, click on select tool, fit it, do named view as front, fit it. Now double click on the nut M20, click on assemble, zoom this area, select this portion of the nut, fit it, then zoom this area, right click of the mouse, select this portion of the shackle, fit it, click on lock rotation. Now use mate command, zoom this area, right click of the mouse, mate this surface of the nut, use rotate command, rotate in this fashion, right click of the mouse, with this surface, fit it, do named view as ISO, fit it. Now double click, click on select tool, now double click on the fifth part, that is lock nut, use zoom area, zoom this, right click of the mouse, click on assemble command, select this portion of the lock nut, fit it, then use zoom area, zoom this area, right click of the mouse, select this portion of the shackle, fit it, click on lock rotation, rotate in this fashion, right click of the mouse, use mate command, zoom this area, mate this surface of the lock nut with this surface of the nut, fit it, click on select tool, do named view as ISO, fit this. Now double click on the seventh part, that is link, click on assemble, use zoom area, zoom this area, select this cylinder of the link, fit it, zoom this area, right click of the mouse, place, select this cylinder in the shackle, fit it, click on lock rotation, use mate command, zoom this area, mate this surface of the link with this surface of the shackle, fit it, click on lock rotate, click on select tool, again rotate this in this fashion and insert link on this side also. So rotate in this fashion, insert link on this side. So again double click on that link, click on assemble command, use zoom area, zoom this area, select this cylinder in part 7, fit it, use zoom area, zoom this area, select hole in the shackle, fit it, click on lock rotation, use zoom area, zoom this area, fit it, select mate command, use zoom area, right click of the mouse, mate this surface of the link with this surface of the shackle, click on select tool, fit it, do named view as ISO, fit this. Now double click on 11th part, that is lever, click on assemble command, use zoom area, zoom this area, right click of the mouse, select this portion of the lever, fit it, use zoom area, zoom this area, right click of the mouse, select this hole in the link, fit it, click on lock rotation, use axial align, zoom this area, do axial align of this cylinder of the lever with this cylinder of the link, fit it. Now take mate command, use zoom area, mate this surface of the lever with inner surface of the link, click on select tool, fit it. Now double click on the 12th part, that is pivot, click on assemble command, use zoom area, zoom this area, select this hole, fit it, use zoom area, select this hole of the lever, fit it, click on lock rotation, next take axial align, use zoom this area, align this hole with this hole of the lever, then use mate command, mate this inner surface of the pivot with this outer surface of the lever, click on select tool, fit it. Now double click on the 8th part, that is pin, click on assemble command, use zoom area, zoom this area, select this portion of the pin, fit it, then use zoom area, zoom this area, right click of the mouse, select this hole in the pivot, fit it, click on lock rotation, use zoom area, right click of the mouse, use mate command, mate this surface of the pin with this surface of the pivot, click on select tool, fit it, again double click on that 8th part pin, click on assemble command, use zoom area, select this portion of the pin, fit it, use zoom area, zoom this area, select this whole of the link, fit it, click on flip, click on lock rotation. Now rotate in this fashion, right click of the mouse, use zoom area, zoom it, use mate command, mate this surface of the fin, then fit it, rotate in this fashion, outside surface of this link, so use zoom area, right click of the mouse, select this outside surface of the link, then fit it, click on select tool. Now double click again on earth part, click on assemble, use zoom area, zoom it, select this portion of the pin, fit it, use zoom area, zoom this, right click of the mouse, select this hole in part 7 link, fit it, click on lock rotation, use mate command, zoom this area, right click of the mouse, mate this surface of the pin with outside surface of this link, click on select tool, fit it, do named view as ISO, fit it, insert the 9th part, that is split pin, in 8th part in this assembly. So first rotate this assembly in this fashion, then right click of the mouse, fit it, double click on the 9th part split pin, click on assemble command, use zoom area, zoom this area, select this larger portion of the split pin, fit it, use zoom area, zoom this area, right click of the mouse, select this hole in the fin, fit it, click on lock rotation, use move part command, click on active parts only, click on OK, click on this move, use zoom area, zoom this area, right click of the mouse, click on the part, that is split pin, then select smaller portion of the split pin, this, enter distance say around 20 mm, press the enter button, fit it, click on select tool. Now again double click on the split fin, click on assembly command, use zoom area, zoom this area, right click of the mouse, select this larger portion of the split pin, fit it, use zoom area, zoom this area, right click of the mouse, select this hole of the pin, fit it, click on lock rotation. Now click on move part, click on active parts only, click on OK, click on move, use zoom area, zoom it, right click of the mouse, click on the parts, that is split pin, click on smaller portion of the split pin, enter distance say around 20 mm, press the enter button, fit it, click on select tool. Now again double click on the split pin, proceed the same procedure, click on assembly, use zoom area, zoom this, select larger portion of the split pin, this one, fit it, use zoom area, zoom this, right click of the mouse, select this hole in the 8th part, fit it, click on lock rotation, click on move part, click on active parts only, click on OK, click on move, use zoom area, zoom this area, right click of the mouse, select the split pin, then click on smaller portion of the split pin, enter the distance, say around 20 mm, press the enter button, fit it, do named view as ISO, fit it, click on select tool. Now we have to insert the spring here, so double click on 13th part spring, double click on this spring, select this spring, use select tool, select this spring, then right click of the mouse, go to the show or hide component, show the reference plane, so click on this reference planes, fit it, click on select tool, click in the screen. So now click on assembly pathfinder, click on reference planes, then right click of the mouse, do them as show. Now click on assemble command, do the assembly plane to plane, so for that, so use zoom this area, right click of the mouse, here select right YZ plane, fit it, zoom this area, and again select here also right YZ plane, this right YZ plane, again front reference plane of the spring with the front reference plane of that assembly. Next, here is created plane at bottom side, so face of plane 4 in part 13 spring, so select this and then select the top surface of the assembly, click on select tool, fit it, so click on reference planes, right click of the mouse, hide them, fit it, again use select tool, select the spring only, and then right click of the mouse, click on show or hidden components, hide components, so unmark this reference plane, fit it, click in the screen, close this, fit it, do named view as ISO, fit it, do named view as front, fit it, do named view as top, fit it, do named view as ISO, fit it, go to the file, save as, select the desktop, select Ramsbottom safety valve folder, save this as Ramsbottom safety assembly, Ramsbottom safety valve assembly. Save it. Do write half section of this assembly, so go to view, click on section, rotate this assembly in this way, right click of the mouse, select the bottom surface of this body, fit it, do named view as top, fit it, take line command, Draw horizontal line, say from here in this fashion. Tilt to this center, then click there, any length, say this much. Then draw vertical line in this fashion, say this much. Just close the profile by drawing line in this fashion. Then right click of the mouse, click on return. Red arrow marks should be inside that profile. Click in the screen, then click on symmetric extent. Just move the mouse pointer in this way. Click in the screen, click on this arrow mark, click on finish. Do named view as ISO, fit it, go to the file, save as Ramsbottom safety valve assembly section. Save it. Now convert this 3D to 2D. So go to the file, click on create drawing, click on OK, click on next, select here front, click on next, select here top, click on finish, place it in the screen, fit it, do the sheet setup, right click of the mouse here, click on sheet setup, background, do as A4, unmark this show background, click on OK, fit it, move this top view in this fashion, again this front view in this fashion, fit it, use cutting plane command, click on this top view, use zoom area, zoom this area, right click of the mouse, take line command, from this center draw horizontal line of any length, say this much, then right click of the mouse, click on finish. AA mark should be upward, click in the screen, fit it. Now take section view command, click on this AA line, move this rectangle in this fashion so as to cover entire front view, then click here, fit it, go to the file, save as 2D, so Ramsbottom safety valve section 2D, save it.